This video will introduce you to the Educator Toolkits available on the CPALMS website. These toolkits provide quick access to the instructional resources and support CPALMS offers for every grade level K through 12. This is the CPALMS homepage. In the top right corner is where you will log in. Once you are in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You will see different colored blocks stacked on top of one another. These blocks contain links to the various educator toolkits. Starting with kindergarten, you will see that there is an individual toolkit for each grade level until you reach grades 9 through 12. They are working on condensing these 4 grade levels into one toolkit. For this video, we will be looking at the Grade 6 Educator Toolkit. To open it, simply select the name. When the new screen opens, you will see if you scroll down the page that the toolkit is organized by standards, and they are in ABC order. The copy of the new Florida standards you were given at the beginning of this course was obtained from CPALMS. The links to the new 14-15 Florida standards will be pointed out later in this video. When taking a closer look at the Grade 6 toolkit, you should notice that it starts with the dance standards, and then it moves to the English Language Arts standards. As mentioned before, the standards are listed in ABC order. Let's take a look at the mathematics section of the 6th grade toolkit. Notice it is divided into different sections. Each section has its own unique color. Let's zoom in to look at the Math Florida Standards for Grade 6. The different components for math are standards, courses, model eliciting activities, student resources, and instructional resources. For this training, the emphasis will be on using the standards component and the instructional resources component. Instructional resources is where you can find sample lesson plans and virtual manipulatives. Let's look at the standards first. When the new page opens, take a quick look toward the top. Here are the links to the Florida standards that you were given before at the beginning of the course. You may click on the links to view or even print out a copy of the standards. On this particular page, you will see, if you scroll down, that the standards for all 5 domains for Grade 6 Math are displayed using blue colored rectangles. This is the first standard for the Expressions and Equations domain for Grade 6 Math. When selected, a new screen will open. Here you will see specifics about this standard. To the right are links to additional CPALMS resources for this standard. Let's take a closer look at the lesson plan options. They are found in the Related Resources section. There are 3 different lesson plans for this standard. They are listed by title. When you select the title of the 3rd lesson plan, a screen like this one will open up, and it is specifics about the lesson plan you've chosen. To the right, this icon indicates that this lesson plan has been submitted to the CPALMS educators and subject experts for approval. That is why it is being offered here as an example, because it has been approved. Also notice the red Add Bookmark button. You will be able to bookmark different areas of the CPALMS site using a button like this one. Please take note of the different parts of this lesson plan. At the end of this training, you will be asked to choose a standard that was covered during the course. Then you will also be asked to create a lesson plan for it. The lesson plan template and rubric you were given earlier will be the guidelines you will follow to create your plan. Don't worry, you will gain lots of experience working in CPALMS. Besides guided practice, you will also be given opportunities to apply what you have learned independently. Hopefully, this video has given you a good introduction to the CPALMS Educator Toolkits. The goal is to motivate you to now make CPALMS one of your instructional go-to sites.